You've learned the 5 principles of facilitation. You've prepared well with the planning, agenda, and session templates. And now it's time to conduct your creative session. In this course, we'll go over some of the best practices for your session. To guide us, we'll use our completed Lucidspark Creative Ideation template and answer the questions that might be going through your mind as the facilitator, like, how do I start the session off strong and establish trust among participants? How do I coach participants through healthy conflict during activities? And how do I check against outcomes to finish strong, feeling like the session was a success? As we go along, we'll put everything into context by continuing with our scenario where you are the senior manager of the marketing team at Tori's Tacos, and you're conducting this session to help the team generate new campaign ideas for the restaurant. Are you ready? Here we go.